In this video, I'll show you how to draw in Canva using the new built-in Draw tool. Whether you're designing from scratch or adding hand-drawn touches to your project, this tutorial will make it simple and fun. First, head to canva.com and log in. Once you're on the home page, click Create a Design and choose any format. It could be an Instagram post, a presentation, or even a blank canvas if you just want to draw freely. When your new design opens, look at the left panel where all the tools are, like templates, elements, text, and more. Scroll down or click Apps, then search for Draw. Click to open it, and now you're ready to sketch. Before we start, hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more Canva tutorials like this one. Now, once you open the Draw tool, you will see options for brush styles, colors, and thickness. You can select a pen or marker, adjust its size, and even change the opacity to create shadows and details. Start doodling directly on your design. Want to make your drawing smoother? Use smaller strokes or zoom in for more precision. Canva automatically saves your progress, but you can also click on File then Save for extra safety. When you're done, you can either download your artwork as an image or add it to your next project, whether that's a coloring page, a logo sketch, or a digital poster. And that's it, you've just learned how to draw in Canva like a pro. Explore, experiment, and bring your ideas to life with your own style. If this helped you, drop a comment below and tell me what you're creating next. See you in the next video.